Welcome to this video on the Sourcing Wizard Assign Sourcing Rules functionality. On this sheet we have the assignment set and the assignments. As you can see here, it supports the category organization, global, item org and item assignments. So we're just going to upload this selection here. On purpose, as previous examples we have with this wizard, we have an error so you can see the wizard in action and dealing with errors. So in this case here we have a customer that's invalid. So we simply pop the user form here to try and find a valid customer. We've obviously got the name incorrect here, so we can either do a double click or select it from the menu. So here we'll just change the customer and select it from the list along with the customer site, and that data is now valid. So when we perform our upload here, all the records will now load. Now in this case we're assigning to an existing assignment set. You can create assignment sets as well if you wish. Next thing we'll do is we'll take some items here that have been assigned to the M1 organization at the item org assignment, and we'll download these. If these are on multiple assignment sets, they'll come back for multiple assignment sets too, but in this case there's just one. And what we want to do here is we want to actually change the sourcing rule that's associated with this assignment. First we'll change the mode to be update, and then we'll use the user forms again to find our sourcing rule. Of course we don't have to use the forms, we could just type this value in. And we'll use that same sourcing rule for all three records, and we simply upload. And that's it. It's that simple to assign your sourcing rules.